Looking for fresh inspiration for your home? IKEA just dropped a new collection filled with stylish, practical, and affordable finds. From cozy textiles to smart storage and kitchen essentials, these pieces are designed to upgrade your everyday life. Let's explore the newest IKEA products you don't want to miss. HOLMÖARNA. This heart-shaped mirror adds a playful, affectionate touch to walls while remaining lightweight and safe thanks to its plastic construction. Ideal for bedrooms, entryways, or gallery walls, it can be grouped to create a charming decorative arrangement. The included adhesive makes installation quick and damage-free. TÄLLÅSEN. This upholstered bed frame blends clean lines with practical comfort. The padded headboard supports relaxed reading, while the washable cover keeps things fresh. Adjustable sides fit various mattress heights, and generous underbed space helps with storage. Pocket springs reduce motion transfer for a more restful night. HAVSTULPAN. This bamboo board doubles as a serving piece and a functional cutting surface. One side presents pizza beautifully, while the reverse features a groove that captures juices. Durable yet gentle on knives, it also works for cheese, charcuterie, or everyday prep tasks. A versatile kitchen essential. FORELLTETRA. This porcelain plate balances minimalism with a subtly handmade feel. Its soft, irregular finish adds character while maintaining a clean, elegant aesthetic. Perfect for everyday meals or relaxed entertaining, it pairs effortlessly with various table settings and enhances presentation without overpowering food. KEJSERLIG. These colorful bowls bring personality to everyday dining. Their compact size suits snacks, desserts, or small sides, while varied tones allow seasonal or mood-based combinations. Use them individually for pops of color or mix them into eclectic table settings for a cozy, relaxed atmosphere. UPPFYLLD. Create homemade ice pops effortlessly with these cheerful molds. Fill them with juice, smoothies, or yogurt, freeze, and enjoy refreshing treats. Their design allows easy release with lukewarm water, making them practical for families, summer parties, or quick healthy desserts. September HAVSTULPAN. This cast iron pizza pan distributes heat evenly for crispy homemade results. Suitable for ovens, grills, and stovetops, it also works for vegetables or burgers. Dual handles improve handling, while the reversible surface offers flexibility depending on cooking preferences. TIDVATTEN. This pink vase brightens interiors with a fresh seasonal accent. Its compact shape suits tulips or short stem bouquets, making it ideal for dining tables, desks, or shelves. The soft color enhances floral arrangements while adding a subtle decorative highlight. ÄLSKEGRAS. This low-pile rug offers softness underfoot while helping dampen sound. Its subtle ginkgo leaf motif and neutral palette blend easily with varied decor styles. Suitable for living rooms or bedrooms, it adds texture and comfort without overwhelming the space. SPJUTLILJA. These compact cotton dish towels combine function with decorative appeal. Their smaller size saves space while remaining absorbent and versatile. Use them for drying dishes, styling table settings, or as bathroom hand towels. The hanging loop adds everyday convenience. NÅLBLECKA. This countertop organizer keeps spices, bottles, and small essentials neatly arranged. The bamboo shelf adds warmth, while the stackable design maximizes vertical storage. Suitable for kitchens or desks, it helps declutter surfaces while maintaining easy access. HÄRLIR. This duvet cover set features bold floral patterns that create visual impact. The cotton lyocell blend feels smooth, breathable, and moisture-absorbing, supporting comfortable sleep. Durable yet soft, it's designed for everyday use with an expressive, nature-inspired style. SKOGSSVALA. This wall clock combines oak veneer with a silent quartz mechanism. It keeps accurate time without ticking, making it suitable for bedrooms or offices. Its understated design adds warmth while maintaining a calm, distraction-free environment. GRILLPLATS. Turn standard appliances into smart devices using this compact plug. It allows remote control, energy monitoring, and integration with smart home systems. Compatible with Matter, it's easy to install and helps automate lighting or electronics efficiently. SPJUTLILJA. These bowls feature harmonious colors and a flared shape that enhances presentation. Ideal for snacks, soups, or breakfast, they work equally well for casual meals or gatherings. Mix them with other pieces for a coordinated yet lively table setting. LÖJTNANT. This shower curtain adds a botanical, aquatic feel to bathrooms. The water-resistant fabric dries quickly, while the weighted bottom keeps it hanging straight. Practical and decorative, it refreshes the space with minimal effort. SOLUPGång. This picnic blanket offers padded comfort and water-repellent protection against damp grass. Large enough for 4 people, it rolls up easily and includes straps for convenient carrying. Perfect for parks, beaches, or outdoor gatherings. SOLUPGång. This cushion cover blends cotton softness with textured jute for a natural look, durable and removable. It's easy to machine wash. The neutral tones suit both modern and rustic interiors, adding warmth without overwhelming decor. Praba. This sturdy plastic deep plate works well for casual dining or gatherings. Reinforced edges improve grip, while the unbreakable material suits families or outdoor use. Ideal for tacos, snacks, or pizza slices. It combines durability with simplicity. Lisabo. This ash veneer desk offers a spacious work surface and a practical drawer. The natural wood grain adds warmth, while the sturdy construction supports productivity. Easy assembly and a clean design make it suitable for home offices or study areas. Which item is your favorite? These new IKEA arrivals combine functionality, comfort, and modern style to refresh any space. Don't forget to check the links in the description to discover each product. Like, save, and follow for more home inspiration and IKEA finds.